You put the cover also, eh? Oh boy. Okay, so why I told you to make it up? Yeah. Okay. This is the. Let's see. Can we see it? No, we cannot see it. That's the transmission from the Beetle. Okay. But now you cannot see it, obviously, because the guys they put the cover. Okay, it's great. Yeah, you can make it down. We have some news. Now I'm gonna. Oh boy, yeah. Okay, 1 second to make it down. Okay, finally. Where was I? The transmission. Yes, transmission. I have changed this sensor here. That this one is reading, like I said before, the small magnet that has its fork to identify which gear it's been engaged. All right. I have changed the filter, the stainless steel rod, one nut, two nuts changed actually, and this plug that comes from the other side, and the seal for back. Okay, that's it. These are the old bolts for the transmission oil filter. And with that sensor, the sensor that they brought me, it was not OEM. When I received the box, I mean, if you see the box at the beginning, it's somebody remove this. Okay, and it's not doesn't have the same part number. You saw it before actually. And here, I don't know if this is Chinese letters. It is what it is. Again, it doesn't matter. For me, that's what they brought me. That's what I put. What's happening now? After installing everything, Omar, he tested. I was looking for Omar to come here to talk, but he's at the office. They tested on the jack, no faults, everything fine. They make the procedure, the adaptation for the transmission. They fill up the oil for the gearbox, the oil for the hydraulics. Everything went well. So he ran it on the jack. He put the D, he put the reverse. Everything was fine. When he was ready to get it out for a test drive, it came one fault. Shift rod number 3, it cannot be read. It's not reading the shift rod number 3. That means there are 4 rods in total, because it has 8 gears, 1 reverse, 7 front. Okay, so it cannot read the shift rod number 3. Either there is a problem with this unit, or there is a problem with the magnet that has the shift rod. As far as I remember, it was fine. It didn't have any problem. I didn't show any crack or something. But what's the plan now? What's the plan? Transmission again out from the Beetle. We have to take out the transmission. Need to open the rear end of the transmission and plug it external, connect external, and read through the diagnostic the values of each shift rod. Well, no, we're gonna make it manual. Most probably we're gonna start engaging a couple of gears to see if this is responding, to read the data, live data from the TCU and see if it's reading the sensor. That's the story. Opening it again. I was expecting to have a leak because I reuse again the gasket. It does have a leak from the gasket. It does have a leak from anywhere. Everything's excellent. It's keeping the oil inside. And the problem is with the shift rod number 3. Lovely. Splendid. I hope to don't be that. You know what can we do? We can even test this one external. Now we need to find a way to extend the cable. We don't care about the cable for the solenoids. We do care about the cable for this sensor, this one. And if you want to make extension here, you have how many cables? Yay! Lovely. We're gonna see what are we gonna do. Maybe we're gonna remove the wiring that goes from inside of the car because the TCU is located here. Then we're gonna remove the wiring and we're gonna to have more space. It should be the car up, down gonna be the transmission, and we need to plug it in to read some values. Good luck with that. Wish me luck on that. Just to understand, is it from the shift rod or it's from the sensor? Yeah. Standing by. When they're gonna remove the transmission, I'm gonna make another video. Beautiful. Thank you very much. That's just a status update for the owner of the car. By the way, to don't misunderstand something, I'm not gonna be the one that's gonna make all these things. I'm gonna open the transmission, then we're gonna come the electrician here with a diagnostic to make these tests. I'm gonna help him as much as I can. It's not on my hand on that. Mechanically, the transmission does have any problem. Like I said, I didn't show any problem, and it doesn't have any problem actually. Now, if it's the small sensor on the shift rod, or if it's the unit itself, we're gonna find out. Okay. I hope to don't have a problem also the old one, because if at least if the new one that they brought has a problem, I don't know if we can return it back. I have no clue. This is office thing. If it's working, at least the old one, we can put the old one. Worst case scenario, we can see. We can find out. Yeah, over and out.